Hi friends, so in the earlier video we have seen the working of piping and why piping is needed. So in this video we will learn piping with T command. So what T does, so you might have remembered that we want to also save the original file to any file and then we want to pass it to output. So what T does, T just take a file as and it saves the file as snapshot and then it will pass it as input. So what it will do, so and also you can use piping later so to save the updated file. So what it will do, it will take input of any file, then it will pass it to standard output of any other pipe, and also between this thing it will save it to a file of the original output. So let's understand with the help of an example. Okay, I am head over to my terminal. So you might have remember here, so when we were typing this, so date, so when I was passing date to date.txt and also wanted to see that, so it was not giving the proper output, or we wanted, if we want to save as output, so we need to give here also today.txt, right? So we don't want that. What we want, there should be something which could have saved the original thing whatever it was in earlier and the updated thing which might have applied after this. So how we can do that? So let me hit cancel. So suppose there is a file, I want to use ls-l, right? Then I want to pass it as t file.txt, and then I want to use less command. So it just less, we don't want that. So we can use anything here. I can also pipe it to head option 7. So what it will do, it will count 7 earlier 7 lines. Okay, so what it will do, so as of now on the desktop there are nothing here. So but if there are many files here, so what it will do, it will long list all the files here and it will save it to my file.txt, and once it done, it will save the file.txt, and on the next what it will do, it will also print the first 7 lines. Similarly for the tail also takes the last lines. Okay, we will learn about head and tail later. So it's a very useful, head and tails are very useful in piping. So you understand the command of T. So let's head over to our terminal again and let's understand with the example of date. Okay, so date, now what I will do, I will type T and I will save it to full date dot txt. All right, and then I will pipe it to the cut thing. Okay, cut delimiter, and then what is the delimiter? It's space, and I will select fields 1. Okay, okay, I have forgot the option of delimiter, sorry. So what it did, if I will go here, so it has saved a full date here, and also it has pasted a day Wednesday. Okay, also of course I can now extend it to today.txt. It is already there, but let me delete it. If I will hit enter, it is created. So now what we have our original data and we have our modified data. All right, so that's what T helps in. So basically the T command will take the original file and take a snapshot of it, save it, and then it filter it to the next input of a file. Okay, so that you don't need to track the original data, so it will take a snapshot for you. So some command does not accept any standard input, right? So there is, so first let me clear this. I will type control plus L to clear. So So we have something called date. Okay. Now if I will pipe date to echo, what it will do? Will it print the date on the screen? No, it will not. Why? Because echo will take a command argument, right? So if I will type hello, then it will print, not the date. So what I can do, I can use xargs command here, xargs, sorry, xargs, and then I can pipe it to echo. So what it will do, now the echo was not supported the uh, taking the standard output as an input, and echo only takes the standard input as a file. So what it will do, it will take date as command argument and it will pipe it to echo. Did you see it? So it does here. Also, if I want to type hello, so it will concatenate both these things because we are piping. So piping what does? It will take command argument of a date and it will also take this. So piping will do both. It will concatenate. So it will print hello and also Wednesday 00 thing everything. Okay. Now if I want to do the earlier stuff like date and then pipe cut delimiter equals to this and fields equal to 1 and then xargs echo. So you can see it will print the your day of the week. Okay. Now let me create any file. There is one more example and it is very useful example. So I will rename it. So I will rename it as to delete. Okay. To delete.txt and in there I will mention date.txt and I will mention full.txt. I will hit save, close this. Now what I did, I just modified the files and in the to delete file I have mentioned these two files. So in here also we can use xargs. So suppose if I want to use cat to delete.txt file, okay, and if I want to pipe it to rm, will it remove it? Will it remove all the file? Will it remove this file or will it remove the file contains this folder whatever I have mentioned in there, which is these two files? So let me hit enter. No, it will not. Why? Because rm needs an operand. It is not taking any operand. It is missing. So what we can do? We can use of xr command to pass it as operand and pass it as command argument. So what I can do, I can press up arrow key and then I can mention xargs. So what it will do, cat will read these files. So what's in this file? So in this file we have given the name date.txt and full.date.txt. So it has taken both those file name and it will pass this as command argument of an rm command. So rm this and rm this, what it will do? So we will learn rm more about later. So rm command just used to delete the files. Okay. So what it will do? It will take the reading from this file, which was this and this, and pass it as command operand to the rm command. So if I will hit enter, you can see both those files were deleted. Why? Because those files were mentioned here. Okay. So this is very powerful command xargs and t, and also the piping is very powerful and very good topic to learn. So yeah, that's it for this video. In the next chapter we will learn how you can create aliases for your pipeline. So you do not need to type it again and again the whole pipelining. You just need to create an aliases for that. So how would you do that? So we will learn in the next chapter. So till then, take care. Bye.